Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to this episode of the Risk Management Simulator series. And today we're going to take a look at the first look at the rule book that I am creating, and then we're going to trade some stocks. So let's go. Day trading is risky. So trade in a simulator like I do. And welcome to Eva Trades. So upon starting this new challenge yesterday, I haven't yet told you what the rules are. I kind of maybe mentioned it a little bit, but so I want to go over that right here, right now. And it's starting small. So if you go to the website, evatrades.com, and you go down to the risk management tab, you'll bring up this, and there's actually nothing here yet. We should actually fill this in. What did I do yesterday? Hold on one second. Let me see. Risk management 174. So I haven't actually officially put anything in there yet, and I think that's a good idea. Let's see. Don't want to waste too much of your time here. Made yesterday. Yesterday was October the 24th, and I made $174 to start this challenge. So now we have us a little candle down here. So here's the game book rules, daily max loss. So I'm going to go back over here, refresh the website. And there's our candle. So game book rules. So I've just put these four in here so far. There are going to be more. Daily max loss is $400. If I'm green and I give back half, I'm done. I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day. And because if I do that, if I take more than 4 to start the day and I take losses on all of those, then that's going to put me over my max loss, and I don't want to do that. So in rule number 4, if I hit my daily goal of $200, I can choose to keep trading. So those are the 4. There are going to be more. And I do encourage you that if you have rules that you use, and you'd like to make some suggestions, please leave a comment in the video here. And we all benefit greatly from anybody who has knowledge of better ways of trading. We're all in this together to get better. So all the information is appreciated. So here we go. So it is the simulator, October 25th at 6:25 in the morning. I'm going to push play. And I have 3 stocks that I'm watching this morning: TSHA, WEBR, and MOB. TSHA is, nice breakout. I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame up here. High of the move, low, lower high, double bottom. Well, bears kind of, broke the price a little bit. Let's draw that line. You see that? So broke through it a little bit, but bulls bought the dip. Broke through it again, bulls bought the dip. So you have a double bottom at $2. And then we made a nice move up. So on a pullback, anything, which we are pulling back now, anything above $2 is a higher low. Bulls would like this to be the higher low and make a move back up to the highs. But there's 221. That's that pivot that we're back testing right now. So it's a very good possibility. This could be the higher low. Note the volume. So going back to the 5-minute time frame here. 5-minute uptrend with a higher low, higher high, sideways. You could maybe call that a higher low. It's I don't know. But then, it was sideways consolidation, and then another move up, another leg up, and now consolidating. So here's that pivot over here that we were looking at from the 15-minute time frame. So bouncing nicely off there. We did pull back enough here that the bears could actually feel comfortable letting this bounce play through just a little bit, and then bears want to see a lower high and a lower low. Still plenty of time left on that hourly candle. Okay, so that's the story we're looking for right now. If the bulls are going to make a move on this, I wouldn't expect to go straight through the highs. What I would want to see is a move up towards this area, then a pullback, and then a breakthrough 240. We'll see what happens. Not a lot of volume on WEBR, $6 price point. The float was good. The volume's a little light. So we'll have to see the volume step in, but we do have an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame, and it looks a lot like TSHA that we just looked at over here. You can see the similarity on the 15-minute time frame here. you know, where we made the move up, and then we're just kind of like, tightening range here on the side. Then we broke, and now we're back testing a pivot right back here. And we could probably see that on the 5-minute time frame right there. So back testing this pivot, kind of, we're almost there. We actually have a pivot there. That one was holding, breaking through it now. Coming off the VWAP on the 5-minute time frame, anything above. I mean, we had a sideways consolidation here, inside bar, bear break. But as far as higher lows go, you got one down here at 633. And we'll see. You're going to need to see volume. Also on MOB, I don't even want to break this one down. Yeah, it's in the $1 price range and only trading with like 16,000 shares. That's not good. You can't trade that. There's no way that I could even trade that. So I'm not going to break it down. I'll keep it there, you know, but it's kind of like, what's the point? For some reason, the volume comes into it. Great. So that is it. That's all I've got this morning. We have a minute and a half till the market opens. So now we can just sit and stare at each other. Like this. Yes, very boring. Yeah, I like it. You. I see you. Getting really scared right now. All right, so it looks like the bears got their little lower high and now going for that lower low. So we didn't get much of a bounce there. And there we go, breaking down. So that's a case where you have a bull break, bear break. Let me see if I see anything when I put these bad boys on. Ooh, they're dirty. Got it. So yeah, so where it stands, Weber and MOB both need to have volume come into them as the market opens here. 227 is a level I'm interested in. Okay, so volume coming into MOB, a little bit of volume. We want to break this level and hold it. $1.72. So bulls starting the day out here, making their moves. Let's see if they can hold that. About 10 seconds to go till I could take a trade, but I don't really see anything that I like yet. I'll tell you what, TSHA, I will take a starter right there. Maybe I'll add to it. Certainly not going to add to it right there. Okay, stopped out on that one. I'm going to go ahead and buy Weber over here. We'll see if this one can make its move. Doesn't have the greatest volume. I'll add to it there. I see MOB moving, but on light volume, so. Moving on up on Weber. Oh, there we go. That was a nice move. I'm going to go ahead and sell that. All right, all right, all right. So I hit my daily goal. I'll buy the dip. Oops, that's a big dip. Probably should have waited for that dip to fully come down. Oh. Stopped out over there on MOB, so losing control here a little bit. That was a big drop on MOB. So right now I'm risking more than I was up at my daily goal at 200. So let me see what we get here. So now I'm in a situation where I'm definitely, if I get stopped out here, I'll be giving back more than half of what I had. I could go ahead and exit so that I can prevent that from happening. I'm going to sell it there, and I'll sell it there. So let me see where I'm at here. So I haven't given back half yet. I'm in there looking for the breakout over 680. Really tricky day here. I'm trying to buy these pullbacks and then sell for the immediate breakouts, but I'm not getting the immediate breakouts. Instead, they're pulling back further after I get in, so that's not working for me. And if I get stopped out here, I will be done for the day, but let's see if it does break. Only 5 seconds left till this candle closes. So that's not what I wanted to see. And I'm just going to go ahead and sell it there, pretty much break even. So I was up 200 on the day, I believe. I'm still up 144. So only 4 minutes into the day, and I'm already thinking about stopping. I haven't broken my rules yet. I think at one point I was risking more than half, but I wasn't anywhere close to my daily max loss. So let's see what kind of drop we get. If we come down to the VWAP, I might jump in on Weber on a VWAP bounce. Down into this area. Let's see if we get it. Bouncing off of that EMA possibly there. I'll buy it for that bounce off the EMA. It's really tricky because I would want to add if it comes down more. But I don't think that would be a good idea. So I sold it there for a small profit in case it does come down more. I see TSHA over here making a move on some pretty high volume. I'll buy for the break through the VWAP. Oh, coming down there on Weber. So I'm in it right there on Weber. 2 trades at the same time. That's always tricky. I'm back out over there on Weber, taking a small loss, and I'm going to sell here on TSHA. Yeah, Weber wasn't bouncing fast enough for me. Weber is a stock here that does not go quick. That's what I'm noticing on every single trade I've gotten into on it. It just doesn't resolve immediately, but it is holding up. So no doubt it's probably got some potential here. I don't know if I want to buy TSHA right there. Boy, just tricky price action here today. I'm just not sure yet. Okay, I'll buy it. See if we get a move on it here. There we go. I'll sell it right there. Back to break even on that stock. So now I'm up $288. Let's see if we get the break through the high of day on this one of 228. Yeah, I see Weber there. It looks like it's going to make its move. It looks good for a move higher, but I'm just not going to trade it because every time, like I said, I get into it, it just doesn't go right away. I want to watch TSHA, see what it does here. Looks like it's going to break. You see the 15-minute time frame, how we pulled back here. Bulls bought the dip down in this area. Down in this area right here. So there we are breaking through. Pretty nice. See what kind of a pullback we get on that. So there goes Weber. The volume's kind of light. Well, I'm up $289 and I'm happy with that. I'm going to stop right there and we're going to call that a successful trading day. I don't think I broke any rules. And I don't know that I have any to add right now, but I'm going to review this video. And if I think of anything, I will certainly add it and go over that with you on the next video. So thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.